we're outside with the chickens today. Little baby peeps. They're racing all around. I'll open the door so it's not focusing on the wire as much. But I got their little heat lamp all set up for them. Now the cord's gonna drop. That's okay, guys. Got it all set up over there. We're outside with the kids and the dogs because they're crazy. Sorry about the door slam. Yeah. Look at you guys. Jeb, leave the chickens be. You're scared of them anyways. No, you're scared of them anyways. I don't know who you're fooling. Yeah. I had to pause for a minute so I could set the door back straight. What are you guys doing? Are you fussing, Henley? Yeah. Hey, are you going to help us today? Yeah, we're outside. Clearing out the branches over on this side of our yard to build the garden, raised garden bed. Athena's just being a cow and grazing on the grass. So, yep, we got my husband, Kyle, cut down all the branches. We're going to clear them out and then build the garden beds with some of this leftover fencing that's everywhere. And Henley's really happy about being outside, as you can see. Aliana's playing with the geese. Jeb's also grazing on the grass. Alright, we're going to go inside. So this is where we are doing our garden bed. Right there, we're using some of that supplies there. We're just getting the rough layout now. I think we're going to do maybe 2 over here, maybe 3. We'll see. See how much room we have for it, because we don't want to do a ton over in this area. We're also trying to do it the most cost-effective way, making use of the materials that we have, not investing a lot of money into it. I mean, we haven't been here year-round, so we don't know even if this is the most ideal spot for it. Like, if the water stays here, it looks like it should, because it kind of looks like it's a little sloped here. It looks like it should, the water drain down into the yard that way. We cut a bunch of the overlying branches. There's a little bit up in the tops that we couldn't reach, like you guys can see. So that's also why we're not investing a whole lot of money into this project for right now. Just to make sure that, you know, it works out for us. If it works out, then maybe we'll build something a little bit sturdier, or something different. If this area doesn't work, then we'll move to another area of the yard. And these log area, these are old fence posts that used to be where this fence is now. We placed this fence here. These fence posts were from the old fence there that it had fallen down, but they're still relatively in good shape, and we might nail them together. They're got a slope to them, kind of like a, I'm not sure how to describe it, but that'll make it easier to nail them together. We might do it log cabin style. We're going to see. Kyle's going to work on this. I got to go back to the garage with the kids and help with them and maybe feed Whitley. Progress shots. Dogs are supporting us. Yeah. I think we're going to do 3 high, see what that looks like. These are all 2 high, 2 logs high. Third layer is on there. We got 3 posts all the way around, just crudely nailed together. But next I'm going to take probably a hoe or something, see what tools we have in our shed. I think I have a hoe, and I'll just till this all up and maybe put a little bit of compost down in there, and then we'll start putting some dirt in there. But yay, it's some pretty good progress. We had some trouble with some of the logs. I'll show you. A lot of them were more rotted than I thought, especially down at the bottom. So we had a hard time finding the last 4 to the very top of it. And yeah, we even sifted through a lot of that, and they just weren't the right sizes. They were either shorter cuts for a different section of the fence. They just weren't long cuts that we needed. But we're pretty pleased with how it's turned out. We are all tilled up. My husband took the garden hoe and put it away already, but it's all tilled up. I'm just going to leave all that vegetation that's tilled up in there. I raked it out a little bit to make it more even, and I'm getting ready to put a little bit of compost in there. I know you're not supposed to put compost that's not completely rotted down in there, but whatever, it'll be fine. I'm just going to put a little bit of the non-rotted down stuff. We just haven't been here long enough to get it all rotted down yet. So sun is getting low, so I am going to try to get done as much as possible. Small layer of compost placed in there. I just wanted to get a little light layer of the compost that I had already started rotting in there. Amazon box. But yeah, so it's a little bit green, this compost, but it should be alright for now. I put a little bit of the potting soil dirt that I had laying around in there. I'm going to buy some more manure, some rotted manure, and put that in there. And then after that we'll see what we're working with then, and then maybe start planting. I already started some onion seeds inside, so got that going. And we got little baby leeks, wild leeks that we found while we were tilling up. So I'm going to clean those, chop them up, see what I'm going to do with them. We got a lot more done than what I expected to get done. I just showed you that we got all the compost and stuff in there. Might get another box back there. We'll see. I don't know. This was a lot of work. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll see if we got another box in us, because we might have to buy the lumber for it, because we didn't have quite enough of the boards that you can see way back there. Yep, right, yep, that way. To make a big box like this, so it might be smaller. We'll see. I'll post some more videos. Thanks!